Hey, I'm illustrator, filmmaker David Hartman. Welcome back to part 2 of the Monster Battle series, where Haddy the creator and myself have each created a monster to take place in a no-holds-barred monster battle. Alright, that was odd. I haven't seen what Haddy has done yet, so in this video we're going to get my reaction to his creature. Then we're actually going to draw the battle between these two monsters. Then we will do a big reveal of the final piece, and then you can vote for your favorite. So if you haven't watched part 1 yet, you should probably click on the link and check that out so you can see where we have actually designed our creatures to take place in this battle. Okay, so let's watch Haddy's video and see what we're up against.
Today, David Hartman, aka the Sideshow Monkey, and I will be facing off in an epic monster battle, both designing a monster to face off in the octagon.
And some cool character concepts. Just doing some really rough kind of scribble sketching with the pencil, and then I'm going in with the pen, just kind of define values.
I like that first guy.
Pop them up a little bit more and make it.
But he's small. I think my guy can take him.
Anything too pretty out of this session. Drawing this one, I just fell in love with it, and I decided to go with it.
That's a really cool design.
Fun concept. A monster that David couldn't have predicted.
Nope.
Something completely out of left field. I do feel a little guilty for having him be kind of cheating, being 3 different monsters.
Nah.
But I'm gonna think of a way to kind of link them all together, make them all using one mind. So I don't know if you caught it at the end there, but what I decided to be the driver is a cat. So a cat is going to be the mastermind behind this.
That's gonna be fun.
But not just any cat. You see, this is gonna be some.
Okay, I'm watching his ink and paint now, which is just amazing looking. Haddy's getting really good. See, this is what I love about Haddy stuff. He's always got this, like, elaborate backstory to all his characters, which is awesome.
It's quite a weird mashup of bits and
okay, I have my work cut out for me. And man, his character is in a totally different weight class and is a lot more girth than my character. So I'm in for some trouble. But my guy has electric fingers. So, you know, that's a good advantage for him, which can take down a Goliath if need be. I also want to thank everyone for voting for their favorite name. Corpse Eater Mega Deluxe won kind of by a landslide. And poor Apoca Monster got 0 votes. But I knew that was going to happen. So now we're actually going to draw the battle of these two creatures. I want to actually draw it as a comic book page. Haddy will be doing the same. So we're going to each draw a comic book page of our characters battling it out. And then we will do a big reveal of the final piece, and then you can vote for your favorite.
Warning, the battle you're about to see depicts images of monsters beating each other silly. If you are sensitive to stylized blood, brains, and monster gore, the management suggests you leave immediately. But still place your vote at the link in the description, preferably for Corpse Eater Mega Deluxe, who is also running for City Council. The management thanks you.
Okay, so we're just gonna start with the rough here. I'm just gonna do a quick thumbnail. I'm gonna do it as a comic page. So I wanna start with like a boxing bell. It's like, okay, let's get it on. I really like drawing this Tabby Boy, the cat. That's really fun in this glass container, which I'm going to end up, I know I'm going to have to smash that container at some point. It's glass, it just needs to be broken. I'm really having a lot of fun drawing Tabby Boy the Abolisher. He's a really fun design, and I like the worm-like arms. I can kind of throw normal anatomy out the window because I can just draw these, you know, noodle arms. And then here I'm going to draw my guy, Corpse Eater Mega Deluxe. He's got his teddy bear luck charm, and we want to make sure we see his electric fingers in there as well. So now I want to show Tabby again because that was fun, but he's gonna have the upper hand. So I'm gonna have him use those big snake-like hands and just pick my guy up. He's so much smaller, so just pick him up and crush him, and then that'll lead to the next panel. So in this panel, I'm definitely breaking the glass dome. It just has to be broken. That cat has to be vulnerable. And then he'll be using his electric fingers to shock Tabby Boy, to weaken him and bring him down to his knees. And then that's going to bring us to the next panel, where I want to give Tabby Boy another good crack at the corpse eater. So he's just going to get a nice big punch with those, you know, those sharp tooth snake fists of his, and he just gets a nice big punch on the corpse eater, ripping off some of his tentacles in the process, and a big X on the eye because he's knocked out, kind of. And then that's going to lead us to our big panel. So in this panel, I just want to show the two guys really beaten down. They've just given it their all. They're bloody, they're sweaty, they're tired. They just want to go home. They want to pick up some Taco Bell on the way home and just crash on the couch, watch some movies, eat some Taco Bell, you know, play some Dungeons and Dragons. But right now, they are stuck in the ring with each other, just bloody, beating each other to a pulp. going to win, Tabby Boy the Abolisher or Corpse Eater Mega Deluxe? You will decide. You can place your vote here on the tab, whichever side it's on, and you can also go to the link in the description to go place your vote. It's real simple. There's no sign-ups or any garbage like that. So go place your vote now. I would like to thank everyone who's subscribed since I've been uploading these videos at a more regular timeline now. I really appreciate it. The channel's really starting to grow. And if you like this t-shirt I'm wearing, I know you haven't really got to see it yet. There you go. So if you like this t-shirt, I just put this design as well as a couple other designs up on my Teespring store. The link will be in the description, but also there are stickers, kind of like the one you saw on the sketchbook from a couple videos ago. I just wanted to thank everybody once again. I really appreciate it. If you could hit the like and subscribe button, that would be tremendous. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.